Well, good morning, my brothers and sisters here at the wonderful Alabama Destination Career Academy. It is getting time to do our February NWEA makeup test. And Mr. J is going to show you a real quick, easy way to get your NWEA test sessions made. First thing we go is to the NWEA assessment login screen, which as you can see is up. Now, if you've used this anytime more than once, it's going to populate with your email address and your password. So let's log in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at it this way. First thing we're going to go to in the upper left-hand corner is the Manage Test Session. Click on that. Now, the first thing we need to do, we all have a list of students who have not taken the MAPS testing yet, so we go to Find Students to Test. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now I had a really good experience working with Miss Taylor, and we've agreed to work together on that. So what we're going to do is go to the Alabama Destination Career Academy. We're going to go to grade level. Now I have the honor of teaching 9th grade students the intricacies of world history. So we're going to select 9th grade. And as I said, we're not going to do all instructors. We're going to do Miss Taylor or start with her. Now guys, when we do this, we can select classes or we can select homeroom. Since we're only testing our homeroom students and not even all of them at this time, let's go to homeroom. All right, guys, I have to pause the video here for the very fact that the second I hit search, it's going to populate with student names. So let's do this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is that every student's name is highlighted. Well, you don't have to go through and de-highlight all of them. All you have to do is go to the little blue and white check next to the last name word and click on it. And then all of your students are going to be deselected. As I said, we're not doing all our homeroom students now. We're doing the ones that have failed to take the MAPS test to this point. So hold on one second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I saved Miss Taylor's students for this. Now I'm going to change this. All you do, before you hit Create Test Session, before you hit the Assign Test, before you do anything else to permanently save it, because once you do that, you can't edit the session without going back in. Come up to instructor's name, and now we're going to go to mine. I'm going to pause it, hit search. I'm going to select my students and go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have my students selected. I have Miss Taylor's students selected. The next thing we're going to do is save the test session. All right, now it pops up here, folks. Next thing we need to do is add a name. Name is simple, folks. Keep it simple. It's easier to remember. And this might even be too complex, but I can remember it. We're going to start with grade. Then we're going to start with Miss Taylor's first initial last name, my first initial last name, the subject, which at this point is math, and the fact it's a makeup. I like to keep them separate from the other sessions, so I'm going to type make up. Now at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we hit the save and exit. And after we hit the save and exit, I'll show you a way to confirm that your session is ready to go. Hold on, guys. All right, we're back once again. Sorry for the choppiness of the video, guys, but I am trying to make sure I don't get any student HEP information exposed. Now we have the session saved. But if you're like me, you like to check on things. So you go to the Show button over here. Click Show. I'm going to up this a little bit. Now, this is my name, so that's cool. Here's the session we just made, 9th TJ Math MU. Also made 9th TJ Math, or 9th TJ Read MU. These are my makeup sessions. If you guys need to edit them, click on the circle and edit session. Once you edit the session, it'll go back, it'll show you the students, it'll show you anything else you might need. Now, once the session is ready to go, that's all you need to worry about. I'm not going to delete session. I'm just going to hide them back. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, you can email me at djekyll@k12.com, or you can call me at extension 5002. I'd be happy to walk this through you. We can set up a Zoom meeting, and I'll walk you through and show you how to do it. So if you have any questions, please call me. I'd be happy to help. Thank you.